Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be working on a couple of vintage mirrors that I pulled off of a dresser. I started off with my prep work, of course, which I did all of that off camera. I cleaned, I sanded, just a simple scuff sand to rough up the surface, and then I cleaned it again. And then I added my base coat, which is just a mist tint paint and some white, so it's just a custom color, but I wanted to kind of mimic the Pottery Barn faux weathered finish that they have on a lot of their furniture pieces. And then I go in with a paint couture color paint in the color called Peace, and I just dry brush everything over top of my base coat. With dry brushing, you only need a very small amount of paint on your paintbrush. You do not want to have too much paint on your paintbrush, because if you do, you are not going to get that effect where it looks layered and you have that base color that is falling through. Sometimes I do like to spray some water on my bristles, and that helps blend everything and just makes my paint go a little bit further. I personally do not take the extra time when I'm working with glass or mirrors to tape everything off, because I will show you in a few short seconds how easy the paint comes off the glass with just some vinegar and water and a paper towel. I decided I wanted to add a little bit of some white wax to go over top of my two colors I already have on there, just to kind of give it more of a subtle weathered effect. And I'm using a soft bristled brush and just dipping it into a very small amount of wax and just brushing it on. I waited about a day for my wax to dry fully, and then I went in with my vinegar and water mixture and my paper towel, and I cleaned everything. And you can see it just comes off so super easy with a little bit of elbow grease. Sometimes I do need to go in with a flathead screwdriver and scrape the paint off of corners of the mirror or the glass or on the edges where I can't get to it with my paper towel. But other than that, that was it. It was a super simple, quick, and easy flip. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to like and subscribe and comment below. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.